So this video is going to be an introduction to exponents. So all exponents are is a way to write multiplication of a lot of numbers of the same thing. So for example, if I had 7 times 7, I can rewrite that as 7 squared. And if I had 3 of them, 7 times 7 times 7, I could rewrite that as 7 to the third. And if I had even more of them, so let's say I had 3, 4, 5, 6, say I have 9 of them here, I can rewrite that as 7 to the 9th. So the exponent here represents how many times the same thing is multiplied together. And that's true for positive numbers or even negative numbers. So if I had like -5 squared, that means -5 times -5, which would turn out to be a positive 25. If I had -4 raised to the third power, that would be -4 times -4 times -4. And -4 times -4, these two would give me a positive 16 times a -4. So now all I have to do is multiply the positive 16 times the -4. So my final answer is going to end up being a -64. So because I do that step there in the middle. And if we think about it, if I had, the same thing can happen if I have x's. So if I had x times x times x times x, I have 4 of them, so we're saying x to the positive 4th. And if I multiplied some of these together, so let's say I had 7 cubed times 7 to the 5th. So the 7 cubed part, that would mean 3 7s multiplied together. And the 7 to the 5th part would mean 5 7s multiplied together. And now, if I add them all up, or if I count up how many I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. My final answer here would be 7 to the 8th power. And the same thing would happen if I had x's. If I had x to the 5th times x to the 4th, that would mean this first part here is saying I have 5 x's, x times x times x times x times x. And the second part here means I have 4 x times x times x times x. So all together I have x to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th. So exponents are just a fast way to do multiplication.